Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to crochet simple pattern in rounds. As you can see, it looks like a bracelet. In the previous video tutorial you can see how it made in rows. Let's look at it. This is the front and this is the back. In this case I worked with rows. So now I am crocheting this pattern in rounds. My pattern has 3D volume. It looks very interesting, made of thick yarn. Also you can choose this pattern for the trim. Let's look at the upper part. For this pattern I choose green color. Let's get started crocheting. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's begin the work. Make a chain of 15. Make the foundation chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pattern consists of 1 stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I have done the foundation chain, and now join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. I remove the hook, insert the hook into the first chain stitch, then insert the hook into the last chain stitch in the foundation chain. Take the second loop, pull it through. My slip stitch is ready. So I recommend you choose thick yarn or wool yarn. Begin the first round. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Let's crochet the simple pattern. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Make single crochet. Then put the yarn and turn the yarn around the stitch like this. You don't need a pull too much, but it shouldn't be very loosely. Then make single crochet into the next chain stitch and turn the yarn around the stitch. Continue, make single crochet into the next chain stitch and turn the yarn around the stitch that I did before. So continue, make single crochet, turn the yarn around the stitch. Also you can use this pattern for the back, handband, bracelet, necklace, hat, scarves, snoot, owl, and all elements that you can crochet in rounds. So continue, make single crochet into the next chain stitch and turn the yarn around the stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's finish this round together. I have done 15 stitches. Now I need to do the turning the yarn around the stitch. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the first stitch of this round. Not here. I insert the hook into this loop. Take the working loop, pull it through. The slip stitch is ready. Then continue with the second round. For this, chain to bring up the yarn. Let's crochet round 2. Make single crochet into the next stitch, then turn the yarn around the stitch. Make single crochet and turn the yarn around the stitch. Make single crochet and take the working yarn around the stitch like this. I remind you, each round consists of 15 stitches. Make single crochet and this method. Like this. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this round. For example, I have done exact pattern made in rounds. As you can see, it looks like a bracelet or necklace and has 3D volume. So you can choose for bag, bracelet, necklace, belt, hat, or age. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media such as Instagram and Facebook page. And of course, crochet with me.